Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Banking and Crypto Guide. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log in to Dillard's credit card account. Watch the video till the end to learn how, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Open up a web browser to begin. In the URL box at the top, type in dillards.myonlineresourcecenter.com and press enter on your keyboard. You'll end up in the Dillards card services page. Go ahead and type in your user ID associated with your account on the left hand side of the screen and head over to the next field where it says password and type in your password. If you don't remember your password, click on Forgot Password link and follow the on-screen prompts. After typing in your credentials correct, click the sign on button and you'll be able to log into your Dillard's credit card account. After logging into your account, you'll be able to pay your card bills online, update personal information, track your rewards, and much more. That is how you can easily log into Dillard's credit card service. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.